y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. Back at it again, trying to bake for y'all. So I wanted to experiment a little bit. You guys have seen me make a soda cake before. You've seen how much fun I've had, playing with preserves. But I thought, why don't I combine those things together to bring you my blueberry coconut soda cake. So if you want to see what that means and how I make it, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. In a large bowl, I'm going to add my yellow cake mix. And then I'm going to go in with some instant pudding mix, a 12-ounce can of soda or sparkling water, and then mix everything together. It's going to look like it's not working, but just trust the process. Now I'm going to be adding in my fruit preserve. I'm using blueberry. You can use whatever preserve you'd like. I just recommend that you add 6 tablespoons minimum so that you can actually taste the flavor. I have a feeling that this would also taste really good with apricot. So if you try that, let me know in the comment section below. To my vegan buttered and floured pan. You're gonna see me go back and add a little bit more batter. Probably didn't need to do that. It kind of sunk in the middle at the end, but that's all right. It also makes plenty of cupcakes. So now my cake is cooled, and I'm gonna go ahead and ice it. You can also use vegan Cool Whip. You don't have to use vanilla icing. And the final step is to add your coconut shreds for garnish. And y'all, that's it. Here's how it looks in cupcake form. We're recording live. We're gonna do a taste test of this cupcake.
Moist, it's light.
Okay.
It's also fluffy.
Okay.
It tastes really good.
Would you say that it gets the Sister Girl Tuesday poppin'?
Oh, it's poppin'.
Yes!
It's poppin'.
This video is not sponsored or coerced.